Andrew here, DrDetailInc.com. I have a new Mercedes in here with some curb rash. We're going to repair it. All the other wheels are good. The customer is doing a lease return, so we're going to make this wheel really good. And we're going to do this wheel at the same time. Not a Camaro, I think. But anyways, we're going to make this done and this done. Done like dinner, done new. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. This is the first video. And I'm going to get back to you and show the end result in the second video in a little while. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. Andrew here, Dr. Detail. Just finished this C-Class Mercedes. The rear wheel was all scratched and destroyed. It's all finished up. Looks good now. All clean, polished, beautiful. Done by the doctor. DrDetailInc.com. C-Class. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I did this little wheel here. Got that all finished up. Look at it. It's all nice. Beautiful. Andrew here, Dr. Detail Video 2, just finished the C-Class Mercedes. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com.